Hey guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. I'm Krithika Balakonda, and today we are going to be dividing 3-digit by 1-digit numbers. Our objective for today is understanding how to divide 3-digit by 1-digit numbers. Let's get started. Our first problem is 595 divided by 5. What we do at first is we write our problem down. Now that we have our problem written down, we're just going to solve it. First, we have to see how many times 5 goes into 5. 5 goes into 5 exactly 1 time. So 5 times 1 is 5. So we're going to subtract 5 from 5. And our answer is 0. Now we're going to bring the second number down, which is 9. So we're just going to bring it down. We're going to write the 9 right next to the 0. 5 goes into 9 1 time. So we're writing a 1 up here. 5 times 1 is 5. So again, we subtract 5 from 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now we have to bring the last number down. When we bring 5 down, the number is 45. 5 goes into 45 exactly 9 times. So we write a 9 up here. And we subtract 45 from 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. So our answer is 0. So we're just going to type in our answer. Our answer is 119. Let's go to the next problem. Our second question is 952 divided by 4. So we're just going to write our problem down. Now that we have our problem written down, we're just going to see how many times 4 goes into 9. 4 goes into 9 2 times. So we're going to write a 2 up here, and we're going to see how many times 4 times 2 what 4 times 2 equals. 4 times 2 is 8. So we're going to subtract 8 from 9. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Now we're going to bring the 5 down. Now our number is 15. 4 goes into 15 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. So we're going to subtract 12 from 15. 15 minus 12 is 3. Now we are going to bring the 2 down. Now our number is 32. 4 goes into 32 exactly 8 times. So we're going to write an 8 up here. 4 times 8 is 32. So we're going to subtract 32 from 32. 32 minus 32 is equal to 0. Now we're just going to type in our answer. Our answer is 238. So we're just going to type in 238. Let's go to the next question. Our third question is 658 divided by 2. So let's write our problem down. Now that we have our problem written down, we're just going to see how many times 2 goes into 6. 2 goes into 6 exactly 3 times. So we're going to write a 3 up here, and we're going to subtract 6 from 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we're going to bring down the 5. 2 goes into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. We're going to write a 2 up here, and we're going to subtract 4 from 5. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now we're going to bring down the 8. Now our number is 18. 2 goes into 18 exactly 9 times. So we're going to write a 9 up here, and we're going to subtract 18 from 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. So our answer is 328. So we're just going to type it in. 329. Sorry, not 328, 329. Now let's do a problem that has a remainder. So we're just going to write our problem down. Now that we have our problem written down, we're just going to see how many times 2 goes into 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times exactly. So we're just going to subtract 8 from 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we're going to bring the 7 down. Now our number is 7. 2 goes into 7 3 times. We're going to write a 3 up here. 2 times 3 is 6. So we're going to subtract 6 from 7. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now we're going to bring the 1 down. Now our number is 11. 2 goes into 11 5 times. So we're going to write a 5 up here. 2 times 5 is 10. So we're going to subtract 10 from 11. 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. 2 cannot be divided by 1. 1 cannot be divided by 2 because 1 is smaller than 2. So we cannot divide any further. So 1 is our remainder. So we're just going to write an R up here. And we're going to write a 1 next to it. So our answer is 435 with a remainder 1. We're going to type that in. 435 with a remainder 1. Let's go to the next question. We have another problem that has a remainder. So let's just write our problem down. Now that we have our problem written down, we're just going to see how many times 3 goes into 8. 3 goes into 8 2 times. So we're going to write a 2 up here, and we're going to see what 3 times 2 is. 3 times 2 is 6. So we're going to subtract 6 from 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we're just going to bring the 6 down. That makes our number 26. 3 goes into 26 8 times. So we're going to write a 8 up here. 3 times 8 is 24. So we're going to subtract 24 from 26. 26 minus 24 is equal to 2. Now we're going to bring down the 6. Now our number is once again 26. 3 can go into 26 8 times. So we're going to write an 8 up here. And we're going to subtract, 3 times 8 is 24. So we're going to subtract 24 from 26. 26 minus 24 is equal to 2. 3 cannot go into 2 because 2 is smaller than 3. So that is our remainder. So since that is our remainder, we're going to write an R up here. And we're going to write a 2 next to the R. So our answer is 288 with a remainder 2. So let's just type that in. 288 with a remainder 2. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.